All right, we are at the Shed in Santa Fe, Margarita Central. Wow, they look good. Oh man, there's even a backside. Just pause. And then lunch menu, wait was around 45 minutes. And we got here around 11:45-ish, so early. A lot of gluten-free, which we're very happy to see. All right, beautiful little area. And little buddy's trying to settle down. All right, some queso, green chili, obviously very famous for New Mexico, hatch chili in that. All right, the Elite Gold, it's añejo tequila, Cointreau, basically kind of like a Cadillac margarita. All right, I did the blue corn tacos. It's got a ground green chili turkey sausage, very interesting. And I did a Christmas, which is red and green sauce. Nicole did the same, but with baked chicken in hers. Wow, plate's extremely hot. I can feel the heat from here. We're gonna dig in on these babies. All right, number one, the red taco was really good. The green one, however, is probably in my top 3 tacos of all time. So if you're here, definitely get, I know it sounds weird, sausage and a taco. Get the green chili turkey sausage. Do it with the green sauce. I mean, New Mexico is famous for their hatch chilies, so green sauce it up when you're here. We had an amazing time. This has been the lunch dinner of the entire trip. All right, well, thumbs up, and thanks for checking it out. We'll see you next time.